Aloha, it's Tani here, and I'll be showing you how to make my new and improved Shoyu Chicken recipe. Here are the following ingredients. Prepare the chicken by pat drying it with a paper towel. Doing this will help absorb more of that onolicious flavor. Heat a large pot or deep pan over medium-high heat. Combine the following in the pot: shoyu, water, brown sugar, honey, ginger, and garlic. Stir to dissolve the sugar and honey. Add the chicken to the pot and ensure they are mostly submerged in the sauce. Then add in the whitish part of the green onions. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover and let the chicken simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. The next step is optional. Remove the chicken and place it on a baking sheet with the chicken skin facing up. Broil at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes or until the chicken skin is crispy. Reduce the shoyu sauce by uncovering the pot and simmer it for about 10 minutes or until it appears foamy or bubbly. Drizzle that sauce onto the chicken and garnish with green onions. Enjoy this onolicious shoyu chicken.